Yeah, in the past a few days, we're after this defensive scheme namin because we cannot let Terra Firma do their things offensively. And that's a turnout na of a turnover, we're able to run and then score sometimes, but turnover points is too low, but we're able to execute our half-court shot. And there's a lot of opening because they're playing zone, and then we found out na somebody's open, so it's their decision if they will take it or not. But fortunately, most of those shots went in, and that's the reason why we have a 50% shooting percentage.
Thanks, Coach. Moving over to you, Rodney. Huling kayo na 20 points, 20 rebounds sa SMB was Jumar Fajardo. That was also against Terra Firma. So you're close to that. And also, Kadir Hano sa rebounds at 22. What can you say about your performance today?
Actually, give credit din sa mga teammates ko. Especially kay Chris Ross, lagi niya ako kinakausap talaga. And doon kay Junmar, kay CJ, sa mga teammates ko, sobrang selfish nila. So, ayun, nagkataon lang ito. Siyempre, kila coach din, binigyan niya rin ako ng pagkakataon na nakapaglaro. And sinusunod ko lang naman yung sistema ni Coach Deo. So, kung ano yung nangyayari sa loob is bunga lang rin ng preparation namin and mga pinapagawa lang rin sa amin ng coaching staff, especially si Coach.
We are now opening the floor if you have any questions.
Congratulations. Isa sa mga sibat din. Robbie, yung 16.2 ko patunay. Pero yung gano'n kalaking bagay yung dapat ito yung nakakabili ko ever doctor para may isa naman yung dalalang yung makakuha sa rest of the team.
Importante syempre, ako naman kung ano lang yung maibibigay ko, especially mga intangibles. Basta makatulong lang sa team. So hindi naman ako conscious dun sa points. And ever since naman yung rebounds talaga yung focus ko tsaka yung depensa. So ito nagkataon lang yung 16 points talaga. Hindi ko alam, mas binibilang ko pa nga yung rebounds.
Alam mo ngayon, Pilipino na teamwork.
So yun, lalo ngayon, syempre all Filipino. Ito syempre yung pagkakataon natin na maglaro kasi pag may import, nasa mundo na naman tayo ng mga halimaw So, kaya sinusulit ko lang muna kasi pag may import, pa-joke time naman tayo.
Pagkaroon mo sa kayo ni mali na sa team.
Well, ever since naman alam natin yung kanyang hard-nosed defense and then yung kanyang rebounding. He's too intense to play. During practice, makikita mo yung intensity na andun And that's the habit na ginagawa niya And in the All Filipino, talagang makikita natin yung ginawa niya kanina. And then last time, when we won the All Filipino, nag-2020 rin siya against Blackwater in the playoffs, I think. Ganyan And that's yan yung mga ginagawa niya And yung mga intangibles, makikita mo yun And I'm so fortunate to have a player like him dahil hindi mo na kailangan i-motivate self-motivated siya.
Coach, medyo matagal namin ngayong hindi makikita kasi next week main game yung tapos parang after yung out na So, paano nyo minamanage yung schedule nila na 2 games in 2 weeks na tapos susunod after?
Yeah, I don't know if it is advantage or disadvantage for us, but in the last few weeks, I think 4 weeks na once a week kami naglalaro and we won 3 out of 4 and hopefully yun daw break ay magamit namin and then for our advantage to think what will happen in the playoffs we're gearing up for the playoffs every game we're treating as a playoff na for us to get into the next level because I know na everything is stepping up na and then in the playoffs it will be a hard game although we're not yet there Okay, but our goal is to get into the top 4.
Some was mentioned about certificated yung mga players mo, but kasi alam natin, therapy yung malaking lagi yung margin ng tackle loss. Kasi it's difficult to motivate this guys on parang favor kayo to lagi.
In a few days during practice, I keep on mentioning about Terra Firma, and we cannot relax because the last time we lost, more than 30 against Magnolia and some other team. So we cannot do lesser than that kind of margin. But I'm so happy with the players. They responded well, and they just played. They never mind who's leading. What I told them is, just keep on playing and just keep on executing our offense and defense. And it's a habit forming night for us.